Hello and welcome to this video on how to lose weight effectively and maintain a healthy weight. So watch through to the end. To begin with, you start adding weight when your caloric intake exceeds the calories you burn. Now you get in calorie by the food you eat, the drinks you take, and you burn calorie by your daily activities. You have to know your caloric requirement, and this is according to your gender, age, and the type of activity you do. Take a look at this table. If you're a male, female, your age group, and the type of activity you carry out. Take note of the daily requirement, your calories, because exceeding it for a period of time will make you start gaining weight. So how much calories do you have in your plate? This you have to put into consideration if you must lose weight. Your breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything is a sum total of the calories you take in. How much do you take in for breakfast? How much for lunch? How much for dinner? You have to make a calculated effort to stay within your caloric requirements to maintain your weight, or to lose weight you have to go below your caloric requirements per day. This I will explain as I go on in this video. Okay, another look at our table. You could pause this video at this point to just take a look, or you could take a screenshot of this table to actually get to know your daily calorie requirements. If you're a male or female, the type of your level of activity, your age group. So just take a little moment. You could pause the video so that you know your daily requirements as per the calories you need. Now the challenge I think here is knowing how much calories are contained in each type of food or vegetables or fruits we eat, because the knowledge of this is very important in your journey to lose weight. Now you pick up bananas to eat. Bananas are good, excellent fruit and snack, by the way, but how much calories are contained in each finger of banana or any other type of fruit or vegetables you are eating? Now this is the challenge. If you'd want me to make a content itemizing food, fruits, vegetables and their calorie content with the quantity, please let me know in the comment section below. So you have to lose weight because obesity impacts on your health. Obesity affects your health in quite a number of ways. Carrying excess fat leads to serious health consequences such as low density lipoprotein. Now the low density lipoprotein are the bad cholesterol, and obesity is associated with an increase in this bad cholesterol. Then high density lipoprotein, which are the good cholesterol, is decreased in obesity. There is increased risk of high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, coronary artery disease, commonly known as the heart attacks. Talk of stroke. The incidence of stroke is increased in those with obesity. The health impact is enormous. Think of your joints, osteoarthritis, sleep disorders, breathing disorders. The list goes on and on and on. Effective tips for weight loss. 1. Cut down on your daily calories. I'm not saying you should go starving or hungry. No, you can actually lose weight while still enjoying your meals. Now, how is this done? You have to be in a state of caloric deficit. When you maintain calorie deficit for a period of time, then you start losing weight. Cast your mind back to the table I projected earlier on in this video, taking note of your calorie requirements per day. You calculate your entire meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, to be less than what you need per day. This way you will lose weight. And how do you achieve that? Is by reorganizing your plate. Yeah, you heard me right. Reorganize your plate. Yes, you may have to move from the bigger plate you use to serve yourself now to a smaller plate, and also cut down on the carbs, the carbohydrates on your plate. Substitute with non-carbohydrates, preferably vegetables. Add more of proteins in your diet. Cut down on the carbohydrate. That is how you reorganize your plate. Now, if you must lose weight, you have to do this. It may be taxing, but then you will surely see the result as you go on. Hi there, I know you are enjoying this content, so please appreciate this video by giving it a thumbs up and also subscribing. Thank you so much for liking the video and staying subscribed. Let's go on. Stay away from junk foods and processed food if you must lose weight. Now, junk foods has high amounts of calories, and this will compromise your daily requirements and also compromise your effort to be in a calorie deficit state. So cut down on junks, avoid processed foods. I call this next tip eating for better health. If you're on the journey to lose weight, please, as much as you can, prepare your meals, because when you prepare your meals, you actually control the amount of fats and oils you add into the preparation. Eating out, you do not have control over how the food is prepared. Stay active. Yes, you have to get up, stay active, move your body to lose weight. Get on the treadmill. If you cannot get on the treadmill, do some brisk walking, aerobic exercises, dance exercises, do some lunges, some crunches to lose weight. Remember, exercises help you burn calories. And remember, our goal in this weight loss is to be in a state of calorie deficit, and exercises help you burn calories. So get up, get moving, get active. One thing you have to note is that staying active doesn't only help in weight reduction, it has quite a number of benefits for your health, for your total well-being, for your cardiovascular system, your musculoskeletal system. Your exercises help you stay healthy and fit. Stay hydrated. Take a lot of water. Water helps your system a lot. Now, instead of taking sodas, soft drinks, why not grab a bottle of water and take water? Water detoxifies your system. And you know what? Forming a habit of drinking 1 glass of water thereabouts before each meal helps cut down on the calories you take. So stay hydrated, take enough water on this weight loss journey. Yet another tip: eat slowly. Chew slowly. Swallow your food only when your food is all chewed up. Now, it takes time to know you are full, and if you eat slowly, you have enough time to relay to the brain that you are full. But if you eat too quickly, there might not be enough time for your brain to really get that you're full, and then you need to consume a lot of calorie within a short time before your brain senses you're full. So eating slowly will help cut down on the amount of calories you take per meal. Get enough sleep for you to lose weight properly. If you've been struggling with weight loss and you're not sleeping properly, this may just be one of the reasons why you're not losing weight as you desire to. So get enough sleep. Watch out for my YouTube video where I give tips on how to sleep better. Adequate stress management. Stressors can impact on your journey to weight loss. So you have to reduce your stress to the barest minimum and adequately manage your stress for a desired result during your weight loss journey. Now, you know what stress does to you. It increases the level of cortisol in your body, which impacts on deposition of fat mainly around your belly. So for an effective weight loss, you have to adequately manage your stress. There are different ways you can manage your stress, and take on one of the ways that fits you. Manage your stress adequately to lose weight effectively. Do not skip meals. Yes, do not skip meals, because there's a tendency of overeating when you skip meals, and that will really be counterproductive. Look beyond the scale. Don't be discouraged by the figure you see when you climb the scale. You know what? Some people metabolize faster and some metabolize at a slower rate, and this impacts on the rate at which they lose weight. So look beyond the scale. Just keep on. Stay consistent. Efforts at modifying your eating habits, staying hydrated, being active, involving in exercise is not a one day thing. You have to keep consistent. Stay consistent to see results. Alcohol and smoking cessation. If you must lose weight, say no to alcohol, say no to smoking, because this impacts on your weight, and not just on your weight, on your overall health. So stay away from alcohol, stay away from smoking. So how do you maintain the optimum weight for health? You remember our table from the beginning where we saw the daily requirements per sex and age and your activity level. You have to stay within your daily requirement for calories to maintain your weight. You have to eat healthy, eat clean, stay hydrated. Remember to get enough sleep. Make this your lifestyle to maintain your weight. Take charge of your health, take charge of your happiness, and remember to watch my video on how to get better sleep, the effects of sleep deprivation. Check out my playlist section and watch videos on heart health, kidney health, mental health, men's health, women's health. Subscribe to my channel for healthy content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.